Welcome back. Nice to have your company. Everton against Spurs in the FA Cup 5th round, and these two share plenty of history. Do you remember these shots? Do you remember this?
Remember that training ground.
David Ginola getting welcomed to Everton by none other than Paul Gascoigne. Brilliant. Look at that.
It's their year in the FA Cup if they triumph tonight on what is a pretty icy Merseyside. 26 years since Everton lifted the trophy with a Paul Rideout winner against Manchester United. Even longer since Spurs won it in 1991 against Nottingham. Comes in to captain the team. Two other changes from that 3-3 draw. His goal-scoring comeback from injury on Sunday. He is on the bench.
To the fore here and played really well tonight. I think he'll play just behind.
Players continuing. Gwine has been recalled tonight. Lamela with a header, fantastic save from Olsen, and then Lucas Moura. Well, Tottenham could have been ahead there. That was a brilliant save by the Swedish international.
Well, it's a great start from Tottenham, really putting a good move together. Moura just runs and runs, keeps running at every defender, plays it out. It's a lovely little ball from Bergwijn. Look at that, wonderful sheet
against the Baggies. And it's a goal as well from Davinson Sanchez. No Everton challenge for that ball, and Davinson Sanchez just glanced it home. Tottenham ahead early.
Well, it's a decent ball in, but it's in that 6-yard box, and it's all about Sanchez's movement. He gets himself on the goal line, and he just peels off.
Back to Ben Davies. Having to play just at the moment. Davis's challenge, play on, says the referee. So Ndombele, who's been left flattened on the turf after that. Ndombele looking to thread that. Son looking to bend one this time, no problems for Olsen, he's behind that. And then Godfrey from a long way out, and it took some saving that. Beaten away by Lloris. The man who's got that goal, they've messed up here though, and Calvert-Lewin pushed onto the post. And that's a let-off for Tottenham. Calvert-Lewin there, his eyes lit up.
And as that ball went across the box, it looked like
Doherty did his job well, even though he was off balance there, he was strong enough.
Yeah, just gets
his first Tottenham goal, Matt Doherty, which is a bit of a surprise because he got plenty of Tottenham. Look like they mean business with their attacking work, and Son! Olsen has to make another sharpish save. He's been quite heroic so far. One big save early on, another one there of a slightly more routine nature.
Yeah, Doherty here is a really good pick out here. He looks as if he's going to put it in behind the defence.
But his last trophy, Lamela. And Olsen is one of those who are going for a header. Here's Gylfi Sigurdsson to chip one up. Former Tottenham player, of course, Sigurdsson for a couple of seasons. Running at the defence, Son looks to measure one, and Bergwijn's effort had some fizz again. Olsen, right place.
Correct, Ian, it was the right place.
With him. Looking to measure one, it's deflected and over for a corner kick. But Everton have been pretty guilty of giving the ball away in the middle of the pitch today.
Godfrey there, trying to play around the corner. But
for certain, this is better. Calvert-Lewin, oh, it's a good effort, and it's in. Lloris couldn't keep it out. He got something on it, not enough. Everton are level. They have found that moment.
Goal scorer for Everton, number 9, Dominic.
I think it's Willier that gives the ball away. And do they punish them, Everton? Do they punish Tottenham for just being sloppy and giving the ball away? Round.
Another clever touch from Calvert-Lewin to Richarlison. 2-1. What a comeback by Everton. They've turned this game around. Calvert-Lewin first, and now Richarlison. Good hit, wasn't it?
Oh, it was a fantastic hit.
For Everton, number 7, Richarlison.
It's a wonderful strike because it's the only place really where he can actually beat Lloris.
Doherty there. Lovely touch, wasn't it, from him towards Calvert-Lewin again, who thinks he was fouled, and the referee agrees it's going to be a penalty to Everton. Well, this is incredible, really, what's going on here. They've got two. They've got a chance now for a third.
Well, I think it's Hojbjerg that just clips it.
Coolly done, Gylfi Sigurdsson, not much doubt about it. 3-1 to Everton, which is dreamland for them from where they were 10 minutes ago in this game.
But how this game has been turned around, it's another. Hojbjerg is at 2 minutes there. He's give the ball away and they've scored. He's give a penalty or one up.
And there might be even more because Richarlison's got in here. This time Lloris gets there in the nick of time to get it away. I just wonder whether Tottenham's answer to all can get it again. Chance here. Taken as well. 3-2 in this topsy-turvy game at Goodison Park. Eric Lamela putting Tottenham right back in the argument.
Well, it's a little 1-2 from Lamela and Son, but it's Mina really that another miss.
Sent him out and got himself out there, and he knows he's got.
For the moment. And Everton getting us underway at the start of the second half with the header there first. Now then, Lucas Moura is being held back by Sigurdsson, who will have to get a booking for that. Regulation one. Ali doing quite a strenuous half-time workout on the pitch, but hasn't yet taken off the tracksuit or anything like that. In an Arsenal shirt. Now then, Doucouré to play it inside, but not accurately enough. And in shot there, Harry Kane, who has scored. Felt something there. Fist bump with Jose for that Everton defence to do as Son swings that ball in and bouncing around and in. Their level is 3-3. And Davinson Sanchez is on the scene again. Well, extraordinary stuff. From 3-1 down, it's 3-3. What next here?
That's a very similar header. The first header, I think it's Alderweireld that gets the first little header. Very
return ball. Fantastic piece of play by Everton here. They could finish it, could they? Digna's overlapping ball. That's good. Sigurdsson, well, he's got it in his locker to finish things like that.
That's lovely football from Everton. Watch Digna's little overlap here. He times it to perfection.
Up again, Kane turning, and good game. Son, he's gone down, and there's going to be a yellow card issued for that.
Yeah, I think Mina just goes through the back of Son there a little bit.
Sanchez is up there again as Lamela plays this one in, and it's not a good. Sigurdsson, that's a lovely ball down the side. Richarlison in behind here. What a goal! What a strike by Richarlison. It didn't look possible from that angle. He got it right, though. It's a super finish. And Everton are 4-3 up.
Goal scorer for Everton, number 7, Richarlison.
The goals. Here comes another one in. Olsen, not the greatest flick, was it, to be honest with you? And then Lamela couldn't keep it down. Was a chance.
Well, it's a difficult chance, but it's a good effort.
Comes up to Bernard. Clever little player, Brazilian. Played in and key. Richarlison's got there first. Ahead of Sanchez. Goes down rather theatrically, and the referee is not remotely interested.
I thought I saw a shove there. I got to
so close. It wasn't the greatest punch by the keeper. It's coming back in by Son, and Kane is there, and Tottenham are level. 4-4. Would you believe this?
Goal scorer for Tottenham Hotspur.
And those two linking up again.
What an incredible game.
Mella is a one last act of drama. Players going. This time he scored at Goodison in his career. Son looking to bend one this time, bit on the ambitious side. And that one's harmless as it turns out. Son to deliver another one. It's Richarlison getting it away, and that is the last action. 4-4. This one's going to extra time. What a thrilling tie. Tottenham are changing tonight.
Yeah, on the final whistle, he went over to
Bernard.
But he's also scoring.
And he might score here too, Kane. Thought he... Chip forward, Bernard, was he onside? He's finished it, put it in the back of the net. There will be a check, but is that the fifth for Everton? A VAR check. Beautiful finish from the Brazilians.
Number 20,
Well, this is all.
Nhận định bóng đá Sevilla với Barcelona cạm bẫy nguy hiểm. Phong độ của Barcelona trong thời gian gần đây được cải thiện đáng kể với 6 chiến thắng liên tiếp kể từ sau chung kết siêu cúp chung kết Tây Ban Nha thua Bilbao. Cơ hội tranh La Liga không cao nên tập trung toàn lực cho cuộc chiến ở cúp nhà vua.